Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a big question, which is, do you really need a certified financial planner to achieve financial stability? Well, we're here to show you that with the right tools and a solid budget, you can become financially stable on your own. So let's dive in. Financial planners can be incredibly helpful, offering tailored advice and detailed financial plans. They can help you navigate complex financial situations. But the truth is, not everyone needs one. With the right knowledge and tools, you can manage your finances effectively by yourself. The first step to financial independence is understanding your current financial situation. This means taking stock of your income, expenses, savings, and debts. Next, it's crucial to set financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's saving for a home, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, having clear goals will guide your financial decisions. By educating yourself about personal finance, you can make smarter decisions. There are countless resources available online, from blogs to podcasts. The more you know, the more confident you'll be in managing your money. So you don't necessarily need a certified financial planner to achieve financial stability. Because with the right tools and a bit of discipline, you can manage your finances and reach your goals. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your money. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.